Buongiorno paesani, it's raining. It's finally gonna cool down a bit, the temperature. And so a word came to mind, it's scambari. What does it mean? It means when it stops raining. Quando finisce di piovere vuol dire che scamba, scambà. In Italian we say è smesso di piovere. So that means to stop raining. But when it rains a lot, we sometimes get thunder. How do you say thunder in Sicilian? You say trunia, it's thundering. O sta truniano, it means it is thundering. In Italian we say fai tuoni. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. And also, please follow me on YouTube, Italiani di Montreal e Amici, as well as participate in donating or coming to the event on October 25th for our Red Carpet Gala fundraiser benefiting cancer research as well as the Lighthouse, which is palliative care for children. So that's it for now. If you need more info, please contact me, personal message me, and I will give you all the information that I have, but I'll also be posting on Facebook. So, on that note, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.